Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is John with JoDaF-FX. Today I'm going to be teaching you what resistance and support levels really mean and what support and resistance levels you should really look at. You can draw support and resistance levels on any time frame. May it be 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 1 hour, 4 hour chart, but all those resistance and support levels mean something. So today we are going to talk about that and a little bit of a trade idea that I have coming in soon. So stick around to the end and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for this content and more. So today we are going to be looking at Euro AUD. Here we go. Right. That's Euro USD. So Euro AUD, here it is. Okay, what about this chart? Now, like I said, support and resistance levels. Support levels and resistance levels are actually levels at which the big players in the market make their own decisions, where they decide either to sell or to buy the chart. So, what time frame do I recommend for these levels to be drawn at? I recommend you to draw the levels in the weekly time frame, which this is the time frame at which all the news effects that you may realize. Some of us may go to Forex Factory to check what news updates are coming in soon. They all get simplified on the higher time frames. That's why I prefer and recommend you to draw your resistance and support levels on the weekly time frame, then go back on the daily time frame to look for trades. This is what we call the top down analysis. This is what the big banks and the big boys in the markets actually use. So make sure you stick around and see how you do that. So I'm going to be posting more content on that. So this is just an introduction to anyone who has just logged in into the channel to really understand what really goes on in this channel. So in this channel, I'll be teaching you how to trade like the big boys, those big market movers. So make sure you subscribe, okay? Now, what about this chart? This is Euro AUD. Today, guys, we're going to analyze the Euro AUD. As you can see, it has been on an uptrend. Like you see right there, we have been forming higher highs and lower highs. We can call them higher lows. Yes, these are low. We have a higher high right here. As you can see, it broke this level right here. Let me put the cross here. And we have a level right there. This level was crossed by the market at this point. It was on 2022, date 10, 2022 on the 10th month on the second day. The market crossed that high, making a higher high. It then came back down to retest that level, guys. Look at that. Look at how the market really respect this level. As you can see, the market broke the level right there. Let me put the level for you to see it. Why do I consider this as a level to be as a resistance or support level? I consider it to be a resistance or support level because, as you can see right here, and this is the weekly time frame, guys. The market broke this level, but before it went further down, it came to retest the level, meaning it is respecting this level. Then once it came back to this level, it bounced back down, as you can see here, meaning still this level holds. And when you see this, guys, this means that the sellers are still in the market. They have not agreed to give the market to the buyers. And look at what happened again. This level again was respected by the markets, dropping the markets down again, forming lower lows. So, guys, this is a level we need to really look at, and maybe wait for the market to get back to that level or respect it so that we can make a trend. Now, look at this point. Now, look at this point. The market broke again this level, meaning the buyers are in the market. This shows that once the market comes back to this zone again, you buy. And look at what happened. You bought at this point, putting your stop losses just below this level. Let me show you. Just below this level. This is how many pips down. This is about 100, 150 pips stop loss. Then by that, you then were able to gain some how many pips back to this support level right here. Maybe let's just take this level right there, because you never know how far the market is going to move. So what you do, guys, is just, if you want to take this trade to the highest point ever, don't bring your stop losses to break even too soon, because that's a mistake we also do. Don't forget that. So now the market has broken this level right here. This shows that the demand of this chart right here has not yet gone down. And being that it's a weekly time frame level that has been broken, this shows that the buyers actually are taking over the market. And once we had this break right here, you all you would have been waiting for is for the retest of this level right here. So once the market came back to this level, you just bought, or even put a padding order for the buy with a stop loss just below that level, and your TP next to the level where the market got previously. Or you can, agree, or you can just choose to ride the market up, all the way up to the highest point you can think of, or the highest point you see the market can get to. So now look at this trade. You took this trade from this point, earning how many pips in profit? That's 870 pips, guys. Imagine that. This eaten with a good lot size, this is big money. Big money. And this is just how the big boys in the market trade. Now that I've introduced you to those levels, now let me show you the trade idea I have on this chart. Now, as you can see, the market was actually going up. We were forming higher lows and higher highs, another higher low. We broke this higher high, confirming that it's still a buy or it's still an uptrend. And once it came back to this higher high, previous higher high, you can see the market actually did respect that level. And if you had a buy right there, you would have been floating about 178 pips before the market came back down. So that would have been enough to bring your stop loss to break even. And even after it has broken this level, you would have looked you have been looking for a sell, and you would have eaten that sell. By the way, if the market is uptrending and it happens so that it breaks levels, the weekly levels that you are looking at, you can actually sell at that particular point, because these are the levels where the big banks decide, or the big boys in the market decide. So I'll be giving more information about these levels in future. So make sure you subscribe again, and like for this video, like the video, for the video to be recommended to many other traders out there. Now there is a level that I've added right here. This level I've added it because of this reaction of the market in the weekly time frame, as you can see, and the level has also been obeyed at this particular point, as you can see here. Now, what am I really waiting for this trade? If you are to sell this trade, then soon as the market broke this level right here, soon as the market broke this level right here, showing you that the sellers are in the market, since this is a counter trend trade, then you would have actually had your take profits right here in the next level. This is a secret for you guys. The market actually moves from one level to the next, one level to the next. If the market was on an uptrend and it happens to break a level that you were hoping that, or looking to buy, since you are in an uptrend, that means that there are temporary sellers on the market. So what you do, you don't ride the trade all the way down here. You see, it has not the market has not actually told you that it's going to sell all the way to this point. No. So what you do is you eat the small trades back to some other level down below. Okay. So now that it has already reached this level, it can't come back here and then you sell it again. Now that's not a high probability trade. The high probability trade that this chart right here would be for this chart to break this level and come back to test the level again at this point, or break this level and come back to test this at this point. Then and only then would you sell it from this point back down to maybe this level right here, because we have another level right here. The reason why I've not put those levels is because I don't want to bias the market. I don't want to be biased on any direction. I want the chart to tell me what to actually do with the market. Okay, so and with that small information on how you looking at Euro AUD, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel where I'll give you more information and more trade ideas that I am looking at. So thanks for watching this video. For all those who got to the end of the video, make sure you come back to watch the next video that I'm going to post. Okay, now signing out here. Thank you.